Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we are Ross, Laura, Joshua and Noah. And on a normal day, we're sailing around the Greek islands, documenting our travels along the way.
Leave us a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hi guys!
And welcome back to this slightly different episode.
We have decided recently we want to show you, in between all the visits to the numerous Ionian islands, that we would love to show you how we live completely off-grid.
We're going to show you how we do it in terms of power, water, communications.
We're going to show you how we wash, how we cook, and also how we educate the boys. We're even going to show you how we weather a storm. But let's start with the basics. Our morning routine.
Excited?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
How's it looking? It's been fine, thank you. Or anything you have to deal with? Yeah. Patience. I can't believe there was a blue supermoon last night.
It was pretty cool, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You are desperate to go outside, aren't you? Okay. You're free! Oh my goodness, look at the state of the boat. There's all my hand washing and just life. Best not to have a row in a bay like this. The sound travels. Teaches you to be quiet though. Right, Bunny, should we feed the fish? Come on, GTFU. This is our new fishing net. Beauty about this fishing net is that it's a very sustainable way of catching small fish. That's how we're feeding the cats nowadays. We don't have to buy as much dry cat food. I mean, we do buy a bit because we want to keep the diet fairly varied, but for the most part, they're living on fish. And the beautiful thing about this net is that when you catch the fish, you can be selective about the ones that you leave or take. Oh my God, bream.
Whoa. Cheers, John.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Obviously, we're after either small fish or fish big enough to feed a person, and anything in between or different gets thrown straight back, completely unharmed. Big thanks to our friend John, who actually lent us this net, and I do believe that since using it, we're going to look to purchase one. Are you sucking up, Ronnie? Hey, Noah. Hey, you. So, without telling everyone exactly what's going on yet, how are you feeling about today?
Excited. Inspired.
How are you feeling about change?
Pretty good. I'm very excited.
You have to welcome change, don't you? There's no point fighting it.
Can I tell him?
Not yet.
From infinity and beyond.
While you're there, you can make that bed.
Batteries are at 69%. That's better than 66%. And we got -6 amps.
Oh, your glass.
cracking.
Oh no, it's a cracking coffee.
Cheers, mate. Don't hit it too hard or it might shatter. Yeah.
It wasn't me though.
This place is such a mess. We need to have a big old sort out. Anyway, more importantly, coming for a paddle?
Yeah.
You sound really enthusiastic. Feeling sunny today. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Someone commented on one of our episodes the other day to say, what's the big deal about paddleboarding? I think this is the big deal about paddleboarding, do you?
It's not a bad way to wake up.
Absolutely heavenly.
Good feeling.
You're so beautiful. Hello, hello. Back. Short but sweet, hey?
Short and sweet.
Feeling a bit flustered today. Got quite a lot going on, some big changes and lots to organise and prepare. And yeah. I need to, you know when you just need to do stuff and it makes you feel better. So I'm gonna clear up all this lot, have a workout, get ship shape.
Breakfast?
Breakfast. Okay, baby bear. Papa bear.
Thank you.
Goldilocks.
Thank you.
I can't get over how much the water is like a mirror today. So special. Mid-workout and just check the net. We got a fish. What is it, Ronnie? We got a fishy. Wow. Got a few fishies. Okay, I better sort them out. But that net has actually only been down now for about an hour and a half, and we've got 3 fish in it, one of which is actually big enough for me to have for dinner. Smashing. Back in the UK, before we took to boat life, I used to struggle with quite a lot of anxiety surrounding schooling and the schooling system itself. Everything felt so fast-paced, so rushed. Josh has extra educational needs, and to be honest with you, we didn't really feel like they were being met. One of our biggest concerns when we took to boat life was how can we meet our kids' educational needs at the same time as making sure they're socialised? And we think we have come up with the perfect solution, which marries it all. There is a reason why Josh has a laptop now for schooling. And would you like to tell everybody why that is, Josh?
I'm attending Minerva Online Virtual Academy.
Yep, and for those of you who don't know what that means, it means that Josh is actually starting secondary school. But not, Online, that's right. So not just any secondary school. He doesn't even have to touch a toe on land to go to the school.
When Mummy found out I was going to start Minerva School, she was very excited, a bit anxious, quite emotional.
We were a little bit apprehensive at first about putting the boys into a schooling system.
It meant a lot to her when you first started school. It's a similar thing, like you're starting a secondary school, and for all parents it can be an emotional time.
I said, welcome everybody. If you're wondering what is a good baseline to start with at MBA, you can see it on the slide in front of you. If you follow those values, then you will be an absolute success at MBA. It's really, really important to us that you are kind. And by that, I mean being kind to yourself as well. And we'll talk a little bit later on about making sure you establish some good self-care routines as part of your MBA life.
Josh is having his online mentor meeting for the first time with his mentor.
This life is so good that I'm literally not sure if I ever want to leave it.
He's raving about our lifestyle, which is so amazing to hear. Josh is going to be sat in a virtual classroom with 20 other students, so he'll be able to make friends with everyone in there because they can all do online chat rooms and get to know each other through the classes, and he'll have a teacher teaching him via the internet. And today he's got assembly, just like any other traditional school would have. You have a couple of classes throughout the day, and then at the end of today, I think there might be something else to do with the school. Not sure it's that exciting, is it? Or is it?
Chess club at 5 p.m.
Yeah, so the school also does after school clubs. Josh has opted for not only chess club, but also film production. So watch this space.
Cool. When I found out you were definitely going to put me in Minerva School, I was overjoyed. I knew that I'd finally get the education I needed and proper friends that would last.
Now he's meeting all his classmates.
For sure. Yeah, they're very sweet. We have a cat and a kitten, actually. I'm sure Mummy's told you this already, but...
After 4 years of me teaching both boys, Josh is just excelling beyond my capable realms of knowledge.
I'm at the level where she struggles to teach me anymore.
Is that because you're getting too smart?
Well, yeah.
First class, nailed.
Because of my ADHD, the best part of it is the fact that if I have my microphone off, I can just make as much noise as what I want, and I won't be annoying the heck out of everyone in the classroom, but I will be annoying mum and dad.
Do you feel like you escape your life with us for those moments during your lessons?
I feel like when I was in school, I knew that I was just doing my own thing independently, and I get that, and I felt happy about that. I get that same independent feeling with online school, and that is the best part about Minerva.
I can say with my hand on my heart that Minerva has been an absolute blessing. It's taken away my anxiety of whether I'm doing enough.
After like a week of being there, I knew I was meant to be there. Like, I literally got like 3 commendations in my first week.
Because he's now being professionally educated, and it also means I get more one-to-one time with Noah, so he's getting more of my time and more of my energy as well, until he's ready for secondary school.
Ich bin sehr nett, which means I am very nice.
I know a lot of other liveaboard families out there have similar anxieties, or perhaps you're a homeschooler as well. Our DM is always open, guys. If you have any questions or queries about how you can also educate your own children online or at home, please do let us know, because we would love to help. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe and join us in the next few episodes of this off-grid living series, where we want to show you exactly what our family of 4 need to run an online business, live our ocean life, and get away from it all. We'll cover power and the installation of our new Super B LifePro 4 batteries, as well as our epic Beaujar V SIG panel setup, plus the Victron gear that brings it all together. Then, of course, you can't truly live off-grid without water, so we'll show you how we installed and can now make our own using our awesome new SunPure water maker. Finally, we'll include the basics of how we manage a business online, how we shop,
how we cook and clean, a spot of camping on remote islands, and even how we weather a storm. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say